Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're diving into a very important questions, coffee or tea. So let's start with coffee. Alam naman natin na panggising siya, pero what is exactly do coffee do to our body? First, caffeine boosts your brain. When you drink coffee, caffeine blocks something called adenosine, a molecule that makes you sleepy. So pag block niya, boom, you feel awake, alert, energetic. Coffee speeds up metabolism. Caffeine tells your fat cells, hoy, gising, it increases lipolysis. Lipolysis is the breakdown of fats into energy. That's why you feel active after 1 cup of coffee. Antioxidants. Coffee has a compounds like chlorogenic acids. This help reduce oxidative stress, parang shield against cell damage. Fourth, but too much coffee, it excess caffeine equals to jittery, kabog, irritable. Bakit? Kasi nga, because coffee or caffeine boosts epinephrine, your flight or flight hormone. Now what about tea? Now let's move to tea. It is less intense but actually super interesting biochem-wise because it balances caffeine. Tea also has a caffeine pero mas konti than a coffee. Pero may bonus, L, because L is theanine, a calming amino acid. So tea gives focus, calmness, mental clarity, ibig sabihin alert ka pero hindi nanginginig. Antioxidant powerhouse. Tea is full of catechins, especially EGCG in green tea. This protects your body, it reduces inflammation, help metabolism, and support the heart. Tea and digestion. Some teas like black or oolong stimulate digestive enzymes, kaya minsan tea is better than meals. So, what's better for the body? Coffee or tea? Both are actually good, depende sa pangangailangan ng katawan mo. But if you want strong energy boost, we should drink coffee. Calm focus and stable mood, tea. More antioxidants, tea, especially green tea. Faster metabolism, both, but coffee works quicker. Less stress is tea.